Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essentials. Minecraft Java is installed and your saves are backed up because changes can affect worlds. Once done, download the Optifine jar that exactly matches your Minecraft version. This prevents conflicts. Make sure to close the Minecraft launcher, otherwise locks can block installation. Next, double-check your Java installation so the jar runs. If you have multiple Java versions, use the one Minecraft uses. These steps prepare you to install without surprises. You run the Optifine jar using the correct Java executable and click Install. This writes a new profile into the Minecraft launcher. Once done, open the launcher and pick the Optifine profile. If it's missing, create a new profile and select the Optifine version. Then launch Minecraft once to create config files. After Minecraft loads, go to Video Settings to tune performance and visuals. This is where you balance FPS versus quality, and enable shaders if you plan to use them. You finish by testing in a representative world area to validate FPS and visual quality. Change render distance and animations until performance is smooth. If Minecraft crashes or Optifine features are missing, check for mod conflicts. Many mods require specific loaders or Optifine-compatible builds. Once done, make sure you're launching the Optifine profile with the same Java used for installation. As a last resort, clear the launcher cache, reinstall Optifine, and restart your PC to resolve stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.